Hey guys, Anthony with the Rad Company, and in today's video, we have something new and exciting from our friends over at Rupes. Behold, the new Rupes HLR75 Cordless Polisher. This thing looks like it's out of a futuristic movie, and it kind of feels like that too. And we're gonna jump to this here in just a second because we need to cover the kit itself. Now this is gonna be called the Beta Kit, which is gonna include the polisher as well, but it's gonna come with a lot of other fancy goodies, including the box itself. So you're gonna get a charging station, you're gonna get a cord for the charging station, you're gonna get an extra battery, which is amazing, and then along that, you're gonna get some new accessories. So you're gonna get DA Coarse, you're gonna get DA Fine, and you're gonna get some microfiber towels as well as some pads to get you started. So really, this is the only thing you're gonna need to jump into that nice 3-inch machine polishing. So this has a handle on it if you wanna take it on the go, but instead, we're gonna set it aside and talk about the main event. So this is the HLR75, not to be confused with the LHR75 Mini. Now the LHR75 has been around for many years and is a standard in the detailing industry. It's a 3-inch machine which has a ton of power, but it's corded, and a lot of companies are cutting the cords now, including Rupes. So the new HLR75 is gonna be fully cordless at the moment, but down the road, they may introduce a corded adapter. So this is gonna contain a battery, which is gonna clip off here at the end, and each battery has about 35 to 45 minutes of runtime, which is pretty damn good. While one is being used, you can have the other on the charger and just switch as needed. So clicking this back in, let me show you how this thing works. It's going to have a palm activated trigger, meaning you're gonna set your speed here through 0 through 5, 0 being off, 5 being the highest setting, and then you're going to put your palm onto the trigger and feel that instant torque. This thing is extremely powerful. So in a nutshell, this is gonna have a 12mm throw with a 3-inch backing plate. Now to expose the backing plate, we're gonna rip off this felt pad here, and then from here, you can attach your favorite microfiber, wool, or foam pad to this and jump straight into machine polishing. Now this right here is gonna take a little bit of getting used to for those of you that are used to the LHR75 Mini, meaning the fact that this trigger here will throw you off at first, as it threw me off at first, but I got used to it and it felt really comfortable. Now you palm sanders out there will probably feel right at home with this thing, because whether you want to use it with one hand or 2 hands, it does feel extremely ergonomic. Now don't let the cordless thing fool you. This thing has so much power, it's absolutely ridiculous and it's shocking. The action is extremely fast. The second you tap that trigger, it's like instant torque. So I know this is gonna be a perfect machine for polishing intricate areas. It's gonna be perfect for headlights, bumpers, and anything where you need to fit a 3-inch machine into. So hopefully you guys learned something new here, and hopefully you guys dig this machine, as it is now available at theradcompany.com. So as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rad Company.